explore using the foam roller to massage the gluteus area of our body. We have this nice styrofoam foam roller, which is one option. There are many options out there. I'm going to work on one side at a time. You're going to sit on top of the foam roller to create that pressure, body weight. I'm going to work this side of my hips, so I want to turn my knees in that direction. It just puts more pressure there. As you turn your knees in that direction, you could also even take that bottom leg and do your figure 4, if that's okay for your hips. If that's too much for your hips, you can just leave your foot on the ground. As far as your arms go, you're supporting back behind you. There's not a lot of pressure on my hands or wrists because all the pressure is going into my hip muscle. If it's too uncomfortable for your hands and wrists, you can just get on your forearm. We're going to go the entire length of the muscle, especially working towards the top edge of the hip so that we get those top fibers, which get a little less movement when we're stretching, all the way to the bottom of the hip. Continuing to follow our principles of foam rolling, going very slowly, breathing, and not reacting to any tension that's uncomfortable, and pausing on any areas of increased tension to create that decrease of reaction to that pressure. You could do pin and stretch by simply just moving your leg across the surface. So by circling my leg, I'm creating a pin and stretch effect. And cross fiber, you could take and maybe move your foam roller obliquely to the muscle and go across any area of tension to create that. If laying on the foam roller is very difficult for you, you could stand up and go against the wall and just use your hip against the wall. So here, I'm getting low and I'm rolling my hip against the roller, against the wall.